Hi guys, I'm back here with another episode of Best Android Apps, and this is the part 7. So if you have not been through my previous videos, the links are available in the description. So let's go ahead and begin the countdown. So guys, before proceeding, I'd like to mention a thing here. There are loads of things that needs to be improved in my videos. So my workplace is still under construction, and please bear with me for a week more, and I'll be really preparing a lot. Will do good presentations on my video, and if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment section. So the first one here in my list is the Notifier. With this app you can create your own notifications. You can use this application at setting an alarm, but you can also give a title and a message for your reminder. Say for example, attend meeting, talk about marketing strategy. So once you are done with this title and message, you can go ahead and give your specified time here, and you can save it. So at that specific time you'll get this notification saying attend meeting with this message popping out. So this app is really helpful. You can't miss any important tasks, and you can use this app as a reminder. And the best thing about this application is you can create your own notification. This is like a notification rather than setting an alarm, because you can add titles to it, you can also add messages to it. So that's my number one. The next app in my list is the Passwallet. So with this app you can save all your web login infos, passwords of your email accounts and other stuff. Again, you can go ahead and save your credit card details and credit card infos and so on, bank account details. So to access this application you can create your password. So that's my password there. And say for example, if you want to save any info regarding your web login, go on to web login, create tap onto this plus button, and say for example create web login, and now you can give your web login name. Say for example, that's my login name, that's my login ID, that's my login password, and say www.questforever.com. and now that's done, and you have all your important info saved. You can also add additional notes to it, and once done you can hit this tick mark and hit OK. Now you have this saved. All right, so guys, this application helps you save all your important passwords, login accounts, and login info and so on. So in case if you forget any of your passwords, you can always go through this application and check out your passwords and credit card infos, bank infos and so on. So a really handy app. So that's my number 2. The next app in my list is the all-in-one toolbox. You get additional tools and optimization options with this application. So you have the memory info here, CPU uses, battery info, system info, and in case if your Android feels you feel that it's lagging a lot, you can always go ahead and tap onto this quick boost. So it will kill all your running tasks. Again, you can go on to process, and you can go ahead and see all your running applications. So you can select any of the application that you want to kill. All right, you can select all the applications and hit kill selected. Again, if you go on to tools, you have loads of tools here. Say for example, cache cleaner, history cleaner, call SMS cleaner, SD card cleaner, APK cleaner. Again, you have this SD card manager options here. Say for example, the app to SD. How it works is, with the Galaxy Note 2 we don't have the app to SD functionality available, but say in case if you're using any other Android phone that supports app to SD functionality, so whenever you download any application from the Play Store, this application will automatically notify you that you can transfer that app to your SD card. So that's an advantage. Again you have this backup and restore options, add to startup, as in you can add additional applications at the system boot. All right, so again a very handy app with loads of tools and customization options. The next one is the Kingsof Office. This with this application you can view, edit, create and maintain your PowerPoint presentations, Word documents, spreadsheets. You can read PDF files, you can create PDF files. So you have this really good interface, very simple interface. If you go on to this plus icon, if you tap it, you can create new documents. You can sync with your cloud storage. Again, you can delete any of your important You can delete any of your documents from here. You can directly share your documents. Alright, if you create a new one, you can create a blank document, memo, presentation and spreadsheet. So really handy app, you can create, edit, maintain all your documents on the go. Again, you can view your PDF files as well. You can read your ebooks, PDF ebooks and so on. So a really handy app. The next one is the eye in the sky. So this is a weather widget. So why I exactly love this widget is it's really simple and really stylish. Just to show you, going on to widgets and placing the eye in the sky weather widget. So this is the widget and it's highly customizable. Say for example, you can go ahead and select from various icons, as in the icons, just to show you, just a second. Okay, you have various icons for your weather. Alright, there you go. Okay, there you go. And again, you can change your text color. You can change your background color. Say for example, I want the transparent. Alright, now that's done. Rounded corners, and you can also remove these edit dots and so refresh, so navigation arrows and so on. Now hit OK. So there you have the widget. A really good, really classy weather widget. It's really simple, looks really decent. You can also do your settings for your transparency level and so on. So guys, this is a must-have weather widget in case if you don't like your stock weather widget that you get with your phone. So that's my number 5. So the next one in my list is the Poweramp music player. It's a really good music player. The user interface is really good. It's really stylish, and again, you can customize your user interface. On the menu settings, you can go ahead and customize your look and feel from theme to general settings. Alright, you also can get themes from the Play Store. You can do your basic customizations. You can customize your player UI and so on. You can select your language and you can add themes to it. You can do your various setup for your headset and so on. You also can customize your preset, like you can go ahead and give your own equalizer settings. You can customize your bass boost and treble boost and so on. So it's really good. Alright, you have this equalizer settings you also have this equalizer setting here. So you can go ahead and give your own preset, listen to your music with an amazing user interface. So that's another must-have for Android devices. So the next one in my list is the Minimalistic Text. Again, it's a widget app, and if you go on to widgets, you have this Minimalistic Text. Alright, and you get it for various grid sizes. And if I select 4:1, I place it over here, and you'll be asked for what do you want to keep this widget for, like the simple time and date, battery bar or weather. So if I select battery bar, and I can do the basic customizations here, orientation and stuff, and once done, hit save, and this is the widget. Alright, kind of barcode styled. I hope you can see it, and here you have the battery percentage displayed. So really unique, it's really unique widget for your weather or your date and time or your battery percentage. The next app in my list is the Photoshop Touch. Again, a professional photo editing application for Android devices. You also have tutorials for it. So guys, you can go through various tutorials here. So it's easier for you to edit your pictures and so on. Again, if you have this tutorial here, I go on to step 2. So again, you have this, how it works. Step 3, here you have the layers and so on. Step 4, 5. So you can go ahead and go through this tutorial to learn to use this application. I have not been using this application. Alright, so I'll come with an in-depth review of this Photoshop for Android devices really soon. So not much into it this time. I just read about it, saw good feedbacks from users, so I just added this application in this video. The next app in my list is the Expense Manager. So the name itself says what it does exactly. So first of all, you can do your basic settings. Go to menu, go to settings. Alright, and you have your password setup. You can create a password so that no one can access your expense manager. You can do a backup. You can set your currency here. All right. So once that's done, you go back and you can add a new income. Say for example, if you had $5,000, you can set your own currency as well. Now that's done. You go back, hit OK, and you have your current balance of 5,000. So now you can add a new expense. Say you spend $200 today and hit OK. You hit OK. Now you'll have your $4,800 left. So you also get additional options. You can go through various customization setup and so on. You can add your expense and create various titles for it. Say for example, your home expense, your office expense. You can do that with this application. You get tons of features with it, and it's free. You can get this application for free from the Play Store. So again, it's a must-have for any Android user. So the next app in my list is the Google Keep. So guys, this app is like a board where you can stick all your sticky notes with all your important notes there. You also can add your to-do list, tasks, and so on. You can tap to this add quick note, add an important note here, done. You also can change its color like this, and again you can add any to-do list, tasks, so that you don't miss out on anything important. So this is how it works. So under one single application you can add all your important notes, to-do list, tasks, and so on. So it's a really handy app again, and you also can use this app as a reminder. The next app in my list is the Instructables. So it's like a news app, but you have really good articles, funny articles, hilarious articles, and so on. It's a fun app. You also have how-tos articles as well, like how to add emote icons, how to use a push button, and so on. You also can go through various categories like technology, living, food, and so on. Under food you have various recipes as well. So loads of people share their funny articles, creative ideas, and so on. So it's a really good app. So I'll definitely recommend you to use this app at least once. The next one is the 9gag. It's the official app from the 9gag, and it's a fun app actually. You get funny pictures and funny images, jokes, humorous pictures, and so on. So it's a fun app again. You can kill your time browsing through all the funny pictures. The next app in my list is the Photofunia. So this app provides funny effects, cool effects for your photos. You have all these effects here. You have various categories. You get all effects here: lab effects, filters, cards, posters. Say for example, I go to posters, I get this bicycle effect, and let it load. And just say you want your picture, instead of this picture, hit choose photo, choose existing. So that's me, and hit OK. Let it load, guys. So this is what you get. All right, so you get really cool effects. You can browse through all the effects. So the next app in my list is the Backgrounds HD by OGC. So make sure whenever you search for Backgrounds HD on the Play Store, make sure that app is from the developer OGC. All right, and you get really cool wallpapers here. You also can browse from various categories. All right, you have tons of categories here. So you have really good wallpapers. I've been using this application since the last 1 week, and it's better than ZG. That's what I feel personally. So I'll definitely recommend you this app. So the last app for this video is the Phone Addict Free. So this app checks the number of times you check your phone. All right, right now I have 10. All right, I lock my phone, I unlock it. Now I go back again, check my activity. It's 11. All right, so it's a fun app actually, and it's good. Just wanted to inform you about this app. So it's a fun app. So guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment section. So thanks a lot for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye bye now.